Open wind pump technology is the attempt to create a construction guide that will make it possible for mechanics all over the world to build highly sustainable wind-driven water pumps. The wind pump is built with parts and tools available in almost every country in the world. The construction tools needed can be found in every car workshop, and the components are very common materials as well. This low-tech approach makes potential repairs an ease. In remote areas with poor infrastructure, this is crucial, since it can be extremely difficult, if not impossible, to get spare parts. We want to create a reliable water source, especially for communities in developing countries. This would empower their autonomy and stability and provide the basis for agriculture in otherwise dry areas. Our goal is to initiate an open source development of these wind pumps. We want to create an evolving community which works on establishing a rich documentation on how to build and maintain wind pumps and how to put them to good use. By sharing experience concerning construction, troubleshooting, repairs and application, we think this idea can grow into something big. For more information about the project, visit open-windpump.org or greendesert.eu.